Alright, this is how you boost a BMW X3. Get the one car that is going to be your, with the good battery. Have that parked behind. Make sure you get a long cable so you can run it all the way up. In my case, my car happens to be in the garage. And here you want to make sure there's two reds that you see here for the positive. Stay away from that one because right in front of it is a metal bar and that's going to be a negative. So it's very high chance there that you could short it out. Where this one here, you can actually get onto that post that connects. And then just find a spot where I actually went here and just somewhere on the body. As soon as I connected it, it started to slow the other car down. So you know, plus the sparks I saw, so I know that was connected well. So now I'm going to go inside and hopefully it starts. So now I'm in the car. It still says battery discharging while stopped. And actually it killed that just to save the battery. And here on the dash, we'll see. No, and it still doesn't have enough to charge. Okay, so we'll give it a few minutes. All right, I just tried it again. It did start this time. I don't know if you can hear it running. It says hood open still, but it seems to still be very low. Hopefully this is not going to be a battery replacement. I may go get one of those BMW chargers. They're conditioner and charging and recycling for the battery. All right, so I just connected the battery charger and it's fucking dead. It's showing 12.4 volts, but it's fucking dead. So hopefully this thing will bring it back to life anyway. Checking back after a few hours and it's still not topped up. It's showing 12.8 volts, but it's come up quite a bit since I started it, so it's doing well. All right, and as you can see, it's starting to get darker. I'm back out in the garage. It's still charging. It's moving up there and it's now at 13.1 volts. I'm hoping I don't have to buy a new battery. I'm gonna leave it overnight and I'll monitor it and we'll see. Hopefully I can save a few $100s. All right, I'm checking back now and it's been a few hours. It's actually showing full. So the green light is on as well. So it looks like the battery is now fully charged. I'll leave it there as well overnight, but that may have solved my issues. So great little charger, reconditioner, whatever you want to call it, for the battery. The battery was dead. A boost was clearly not going to be enough because it was only at 12.4. I wish it showed the voltage now, what it's at, but it doesn't. It just shows full. But I checked it earlier and it was well over 13, so that's good. Okay, now it is the next day and it is fully charged. It's flashing full. Let's disconnect it. Let's go in the car and let's see if all the warning lights are off. It's well over 24 hours now. All right, I just got in the car and we're gonna try to start it now. And I'm not getting any warnings about the battery. This one is coming up. That's for the diesel AdBlue, which I gotta add, which I do that myself as well. I should make a video for that. But okay, so it looks like it's worked. The battery is 100%. The car is starting. There is no warning signs, and success.